Alright, welcome guys to the YouTube video. Today we are on a different routine, on a different thing that I'm doing, which is actually I'm getting my fridge, mini fridge for my room. I do have a fridge for the outside, but of course I do have a roommate and I do have to share it with that person. And of course I don't have a problem with sharing it, but the thing is there's a lot of things that I want to have in a separate fridge, like protein bars, you know, fruits, granola, yogurt, cottage cheese, you know, fat, water, juice, stuff that I want to use right there, so I don't have to go outside. So what I'm doing right now is actually I'm getting trash out of home. My girl is coming back from her home and school is about to start, and of course I am in the position where I have to, of course, do that, clean and get everything ready. Let me check that the video is actually, let me see that I'm able to check. Give me 1 second, because sometimes you can't even see with the thingy. Let me see. So, you know, now I do have to go ahead and take this trash out. When I take this trash out, which, damn, the sun is out, I'm coming back this way that I'm going, and I'm actually going to go ahead and go to Target. I think on Target, the one, mine is there, the one that I specifically need is like $100, which is a lot of money, but I'm gonna get it. It's something that I will use in the future, and I just hope it doesn't make any noise or like a big noise that bothers me for me to sleep. So, because I'm someone that needs really like a quiet mood and very dark, so very quiet and very dark, like super dark, for me to be able to like fully rest. Anyway, sometimes, you know, I'm thinking in business, money and things that, you know, it's hard for me to sleep, but when it's like that, I sleep better, I recover better. So I'm taking this trash out, so you will see it's a couple of boxes from things that I have been buying over the summer. I did this summer buy the most items in my life, in my lifetime, together, for real. I have never had so much stuff in a short period of time like this one. I did buy my PC gamer, I did buy a GoPro, I did buy accessories for the GoPro, I did buy accessories for the desk, I did buy a new desk, I did buy a keyboard, a mouse, headphones, camera, professional camera on top of the GoPro. Then I did buy accessories for that camera. Then I bought the, how you say, the microphone, tripods, and a lot of things. And I did a modification to my room, which is, damn, there's a smell. I don't know what is it, but it's bothering me. So let's actually see this, which I actually want to see how it looks when I'm like that. I don't know if it's looking down, not really sure though, but let's open this. Damn. Let's take this trash. Damn. This is just like a lot of boxes. So these boxes, I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put them. Oh yeah, there's a space in there. Now I do need something to clean my hand. Pretty sure my girl put something here. I think that this works. Shit, I did took a lot. That was my mistake. Alright guys, so I'm almost done. I just gotta clean this, clean my hands, and then I do want to take this and do this. These saw like some water coming out of here, like of the bag. Alright, so let me make sure it's recording. Yeah, it is. Now, it should be fine. Let's just put it like this. Alright, let me just see. Put a little bit touch down right there, just a touch. Alright, so we did take the trash out, so we are done with that task. So now I'm going to Target, which is very close for me. Of course, if Target don't have the one that they show online, I will have to go to Walmart or some other place that is close here and get the fridge. I didn't want to buy like a new one, but you know, I was like looking around, and then you know, I couldn't see one, and then I was like, you know, I don't have any cash right now. Let me put it on my credit card, then I figure it out later with the time that I have to pay. So I'm not like that, but you know, this I really want to have it because it's not like a need, like a must, but I think I need it. I think, you know, it's way faster to have my water right there. It's way faster to have my yogurt, my stuff right there. I can do it really quick, and it's more private. So you know, I don't have to go outside to go get the things that I need, unless I want to like cook, you know, that's different. All right, so after that, I'm actually recording to the gym. So when I go back from the fridge and I put the fridge, I'm gonna take that, and then I'm gonna change my clothes, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. So I gotta hit the gym, which is legs day. And on top of that, I gotta do 20 minutes of cardio. And then from there, I gotta do dinner. And then from there, I gotta sit on the computer, check out some videos, which is 7 o'clock already, and time flies. So I gotta do it quick, because, you know, time flies. Like, I don't even realize it's 10 o'clock already. So I gotta do that, because I gotta finish doing laundry as well. Which is gonna take some time, but it's fine. Should be fine. All right, so now we're here, almost on Target. Whew. And then after that, I'm gonna work on the computer and some stuff, and then I will be chill for the night. I do have work tomorrow. That's something that I don't like, but I have 2 Sundays and 2 weekends that I'll be working completely working, which is fine, I guess, because I am getting some overtime. And then I'm getting a Monday, which is a Labor Day, that I'll be off as well. So that's good. Damn, he didn't have to like do it that slow. Like, it was really necessary. Damn. It's Saturday, it's 7 o'clock, and look at the traffic. Just for me to get to Target, it's gonna take some minutes. So if I have to go to Walmart, I will not go that way. I will actually just go backwards, take highway, and go that way to Walmart. If I have to go to Walmart today, which I don't think so. I saw it on Google. Let me check. Rich. All right, so it didn't work out here. So actually kind of knew after I saw on the phone that they didn't have anything available in this store, but it is what it is. It was kind of fast, so I didn't lose that much time. So now I gotta go to Walmart. So for me to be able to go to Walmart, I'm gonna have to take a right here, and then I gotta take a left. Oh, actually, there's just a right in here. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like. Probably gonna have to do like a U-turn somewhere here. Yeah, right here. But it is what it is. I'm going to Walmart. I know there's one in there. Oh shit. I mean, Home Depot. I think in here there's one. I'm pretty sure. Right? I think there's a Lowe's here too. I am not like 100% sure. Though I'm not really sure what the fuck am I doing in here. Like, where am I going? I'm like trying to find like the exit to turn left, because I want to take highway. I'm not going to take Luther Road. This road is kind of like, for real, insanity. Like, not gonna lie, it's like insanity. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my gosh, where am I gonna turn, bro? Like, what the fuck is this? And I gotta take it right there too? What the fuck, bro? Are you even serious? Like, I'm trying to take it left. It was right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. You gonna tell me I gotta come this way? Oh, the traffic is gonna kill me, I'm pretty sure. Oh my goodness, that was not a good idea to do this, guys. Alright guys, I think this video is gonna be really long. Unless I'm wrong. Let me put Walmart in here. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Well, it says 9 minutes. Yeah, it says 9 minutes. It's apparently not bad. Shit. That was red, completely red one. Oh, looks like 7 minutes. All right. Actually gotta go to Best. Well, I'm not going to Best Buy today, but I gotta go to Best Buy. Lowe's is here too. That's good to know. So Lowe's is here and Best Buy is here. I gotta buy something at Best Buy this week, and then if on Walmart there's no fridge, I will come here and get the fridge. Yeah, if Walmart don't have, which I doubt it, I'm just gonna see which one Walmart has that is not one of those small ones for me to get, because the one on Lowe's is really expensive. I just hope the one on Walmart is not the same. I really hope so, because the one it was in the store, the one it was like here on the online, it's like 99 bucks on Target, but it wasn't on this location. Probably the shipping said not available, so I gotta do it here. Well guys, I was wrong, thanks God, because this road is a Saturday at 7 o'clock and it's fine, it's moving. But like there's some days that I've been passing this road that I come this way, and guys, it's like probably a 25-30 minutes to just get here, and it's like a mile away. So it's like really crazy for me to do this. So today I did it, and I made it, and it wasn't bad at all. So we're actually gonna go ahead and oh, Geico is here. Oh shit, Geico is here. I didn't even know Geico was here in this office. So now I know if anything happens, Geico is in here. That's perfect to know. This row has everything. Now that I think about it, all the banks, all the things, it does have it here. Good to know. Good to know. Damn, it's cold. So now we're gonna see what fridge I'm gonna be able to get, if there's one. Damn, that Camaro. Damn, that Camaro is kind of. There's some nices. There's a Corvette here. See it? It's a nice Corvette. I don't like Corvettes. Not gonna lie. Ooh. Alright, so we made it. We made it. I thought I was not gonna make it. Not gonna lie to you. I really thought I was like gonna be 25-30 minutes like stopped in there. Don't do it. But it is what it is. We're here. I just don't know why there's so many cars on a Saturday, like people getting groceries. I know that, but god damn, look at this. Oh, it looks like, what the fuck? It looks like they giving something like for free or something. I mean, I like free stuff. I have to check. I think it's here. I'm gonna park in here. Home and pharmacy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if there's any fridge, it's gonna be in this place. So we are going to park. Yeah, I'm not going to park anywhere because I just missed the parking lot like a freaking stupid guy. Stupid. I am stupid. So see if I can find one here. There was one right there where that Nissan Rogue was leaving, so I think I'm gonna park right there too. I gotta check if it's still in there. Yeah, it is. It is. I'm actually gonna do this. There you go. All right, let me see. I didn't find what I needed. I did find something for the bathroom that I needed to buy, but I didn't find the fridge itself. So I'm at the point where I don't know what, if I'm going to just buy one that is cheap, maybe buying one online. That's what I was thinking, in buying for like a less price, but I couldn't find one like here or Target. So now I don't know what to do. It's not like I need that like a must, but you know, I want that. I really want it because it's easier for me. It makes it easier for me, more private in my room, so I can just get my stuff and I go outside less. Because my room is with the bathroom now that I did some work in there, so I have privacy. So if I put that, it's like way easier now. But traffic. Lady, why you did that? You gonna turn? But it is what it is. Oh, I'm just hungry. That's for sure, I'm hungry. So, let me actually check. Let me check on Best Buy. They might have. I was thinking of Best Buy or Lowe's, but I actually want to go home. It's 8 o'clock already. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, time flies. That's what I'm saying. Like, time just goes fast. Midnight. Mini fridge. Pick up tomorrow. Why pick up tomorrow if I'm like here right now? That's a lot of money though. I think this one is fine for me. Let me check. Yeah, this one is definitely fine for me. It's a lot of money though. God damn. Hold on. So why can I? It says pick up ready tomorrow. Why? I can't pick it up now? Like, if I can pick it up now, I would rather do it now than do it tomorrow. I don't want to do it tomorrow. Like, for real, I don't want to get traffic on Sunday. I want to do it now. So I'm actually gonna go check. Thank you. I'm actually gonna go and check to see if they have. Like, I'm gonna say, hey, this mini fridge is here. It says pick up tomorrow, but you know, maybe that is coming tomorrow, maybe. But like, you know, come on. Let me just get it now, please. I want to get that out of the way so I don't have to come tomorrow. So we'll see. Let me actually see. Sometimes like that, and if it's like that, it is what it is. I just come tomorrow. If it's like that, it is what it is. That guy's going fast in there. I don't know why. People are crazy. So we'll see here if it's available. Because as far as I know, it's open. Yeah, it is open. Yeah. I don't know what time they close though, but I know it's open. It's a nice M4. So let me see if I can get this. If not, I'll be not sad, but I'll be kind of irritated. Or actually, this is closed. Oh yeah, this is closed. Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah. Oh, they're actually kicking out people. That's why. Best Buy time. Oh. Oh, got you. Oh, I just realized that it is Saturday, so they have different times on Saturdays. So they are closed. They just closed right now. So I think I'm gonna come tomorrow. Yeah, and I will get that one. It's $130, but actually, I'm actually gonna check online, and I'm actually gonna check on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm gonna see if there's anything cheaper than that. We'll see. So we'll see if I can find something cheaper. I'm actually gonna go home and do dinner. Fuck, I actually gotta go and work out. But let's make some eggs. Oh, look at that dog. Damn, homeless. I can't even read what it says in there. Very far away. I don't know what this says. Arriving? Is that what it says? Arriving? No. Anything is a blessing. Fuck. I don't have anything right now. And she looks like she's not like really like a poor person. Looks like she just lost everything. Some people are like that. That's why I'm always grateful. And you always gotta be careful and praying and working a lot and saving, because you never know what can happen. And life is like that. Like one day you can be making a lot of money, making $300,000 a month or a year or a month or whatever. You have a lot of investments, you have everything, you know, people rely on you, you help a lot of people, but then, you know, everything can turn out to the other side, you know, where you lose everything and you're not able to help anybody, and nobody helps you. So, you know, that's like cases of people that actually happen, you know, where you help a lot of people for a long period of time, and you know, you have everything, but then it gets to the point where you don't have anything. Nobody helps you, and nobody will. So it's kind of rough, you know, but it is what it is. I mean, life, it is like that, and we gotta take it. So, but damn. Like for like fat, I've never been able to like go on green in here. He always, oh, I was able to. I mean, it turned yellow, almost red on me, but I have never been able to do that. I'm always like having to stop in that light, like always for like 2 or 3 minutes. Not today though, first time. Hungry. Very hungry, actually. So, let's see here. Oh, I'm hungry. Damn. I'm really hungry right now. Really hungry. Like, not gonna lie, I'm hungry. God damn. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, we are done. So I'm done with. I was very lazy. I was being really lazy. I ate dinner. I couldn't find the fridge. I couldn't find the fridge that I wanted because I have to wait until tomorrow. The Best Buy was closed, which means I have to wait until tomorrow. But it is fine. I will get it tomorrow. The only problem is tomorrow I got work. But yeah. I got work and I gotta get some groceries, which is fine. Should be fine. I should be fine. Oh goodness! But I thought I was gonna have it today, so I'm ready. But I get it tomorrow, and then I got some cottage cheese that I gotta get, and then that cottage cheese with yogurt and granola, stuff like that. I will be putting on the mini fridge. It doesn't sound necessary, but once you have it, and like you don't have to go outside for like a water, you know, like a yogurt, like cottage cheese. Of course, if I want to cook, I'm gonna go to my kitchen. You know, I'm gonna use my kitchen to like that's my roommate. I'm gonna use my kitchen for like stuff. How you say it? I think he was racing, or he is racing. Yeah, he is racing. It looks like him. I think he was racing right there. Gotta be careful. But yeah, as I was saying, it doesn't sound like necessary. So, as I was saying, like, it doesn't sound necessary. But then when you think about it, I don't have to go outside for like water. I don't have to go outside for like yogurt, granola, fruits, you know. I don't want to go out for those type of things when I can just go ahead and just take it from my mini fridge in my bedroom, you know. So it's easier, like grapes, fruits like that, you know. I just go ahead and do it. And if I want to use my bathroom, my bathroom is right there, you know. So I have fully privacy, almost full privacy, way different like the past couple of months. Like now my room is more private, you know. I'm able to do more things. It's way cooler. So tomorrow we'll be getting it. If not, if it's too expensive, and I say it's too expensive, I'm gonna check Facebook Marketplace, see if I can find something cheaper. I'm sorry, I'm just eating a banana. Oh. Whoa. What was that? I really want a sports car, man. I really wanted to have some fun, but right now I wanna get a car, but I'm going to get a car for my mom. Sounds crazy, 21 years old, but you know. Goodness, I'm cold, bro. Cold. God damn. For real, I feel cold. I don't know why. Alright, we on highway. I don't know why this is like that. Oh, it was outside. I thought it was an inside. So we're on the way to the gym. Gotta hit some cardio too. God damn. I wanna be done late today. But yeah. My school is about to start. I got a lot of work to do. I got a lot of payments to make. I'm actually really worried about all the things that I gotta do. There's a lot of payments that I gotta do. I spent thousands of dollars this summer for the videos, for everything that I'm doing, and you know, it sounds crazy, but you know, I have spent and invested, and then I had a vacation. I travel, help a lot of people, and spend thousands of dollars. And when I say thousands of dollars, I'm talking about I'm talking about 12,000 plus or 15,000 plus dollars this in the past couple of months, from like May to like now August. Like I have spent thousands of dollars. I made a couple payments for my student loans, which that was good, but then I bought the PC Gamer, GoPro, a lot of accessories, gaming shit to like have some fun. God damn. Then a flight. Well, the flight was free because of my credit card. But then, you know, I went to Dominican and went to restaurants, went to the beach. I took care of everything, my family, and God damn. Summer is always crazy. I've been here 2 summers. No, actually 3 summers now. Yeah, three summers. The first one was on 2023. Second one was 2024, and now 2025. The first one was when I bought an iPhone, a MacBook Pro, I bought a PS5, and a bunch of shit that I didn't need. Then the 2024 one was when I bought my car, and when I bought a couple other things that I like needed and wanted. And then in 2025, I have spent more money than ever in my life. I have everything, like basically, and I traveled to the Dominican as well. So it was pretty cool. Not gonna lie to you, it was pretty cool. So yeah. Now we are going to the gym. I guess there's nobody here. I mean, that's what I think. Because I'm here because I'm a lazy bastard, which I didn't want to go to the gym earlier, which I was supposed to, but it is fine. Alright, so yeah, there's nobody. Or this one car. It's probably a guy. Oh yeah, I know who it is. God damn, that guy's here on a Saturday? Oh, there's 2 cars. Oh, I know that both of them. So one is a black guy that does content, and the other one is, damn. This time's crazy. Time of year because I was being lazy, which is crazy because I got work tomorrow, but it is what it is. I mean, I gotta make it, so I'm probably gonna get tired now, and then I'll go to sleep. See you guys in a minute. Alright, I'm tired. If you hit legs, then cardio. If you're one of those, I admire you. Goodness gracious. I'm tired. I can't no more. I mean, I'm grateful because I took a nap today. So that was good. Took a fat nap of like 2 hours. And then I did some stuff that I needed to do at home. So I feel pretty good. I actually want to check the weather. Kinda feels 69. It feels nice outside. It doesn't feel like summer. Which that might change. I want to check. So it's saying that yes, 60s, 50s, the lowest, and then the highest is like 80s, 70s. That sounds nice, to be honest. I mean, we are in the last part of August. We are August 24th now, so feels, yeah, like the summer. Well, we're in fall, I believe, but that hot is leaving. I mean, September is hot too, and then October kind of, and then after November, December is gonna be cold as fuck. I remember that last year. It was crazy. The cold. I mean, I moved to my apartment, so when I moved to my apartment, it was nice because I just had the heaters on, and it was nice. It feels pretty cool to have the heaters. I mean, you know, so winter I don't feel it that much. Maybe at my job I feel it. Damn, that cop is going like slow. So yeah, I mean, it's winter. I'm gonna try to see if I can go back home to be with family on December. The only problem is I gotta make some money, gotta make some bread, guys. I can't forget about that. I can't forget about my bills and payments. It gets tough, but I'm gonna calculate, and if I'm not able to do it on December and pass time with family, I'm gonna have to go in January, February, spend 2 weeks in there, or a week and a half. So if I have to do that, I have to do that, you know, and it is what it is. Whew. Already August 24th. I just, time flies. Like, in a couple months I'll be 22. It looks like, yeah, it is him. It's him. Sorry if I'm very quiet. You know me, after I do cardio, it's like I lose every ounce of me, and I'm like really tired. And I'm sorry I'm going slow here. I always go slow here just in case. You never know. You never know. It's Saturday. A lot of people in the club, probably. Yeah, a lot. What the fuck? Look at this. Crazy amount of people here in there. Goodness. Always like to be careful in those type of places. There's always like a problem, fight shooting. You know, you always got to be careful. Make sure that it's recording and everything. Cops. Oh, 12:24 and 12:15. It said 2020, 12:24. It's 12:15. I think 12:16. I gotta change this stuff in my car. Fuck. I hope I have a parking lot close to my apartment. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm actually gonna edit these videos and maybe upload one or actually post one. It's late, but sometimes it's fine. So I'll see you guys.